The International Space Station, ISS, is a habitable space station in low Earth orbit. It serves as a multinational cooperative project involving the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada. The ISS is one of the most ambitious and technologically advanced endeavors in human history, serving as a symbol of international collaboration and scientific research in space. Construction of the ISS began in 1998 and continues to this day. The station is assembled in orbit using modules launched on various rockets. It consists of multiple components, including laboratories, living quarters, docking ports, solar arrays for power generation, and robotic arms for maintenance and assembly tasks. The ISS orbits the Earth at an altitude of approximately 408 kilometers, 253 miles, and completes an orbit every 90 minutes. It travels at a speed of about 28,000 kilometers per hour, 17,500 miles per hour, enabling it to circumnavigate the Earth multiple times a day. The station provides a microgravity environment for scientific experiments, technological demonstrations, and human space exploration studies. The primary objectives of the ISS include conducting research in various scientific disciplines, such as biology, physics, astronomy, and human physiology. Astronauts and cosmonauts from different countries live and work aboard the ISS for extended periods, typically ranging from several weeks to several months. They conduct experiments, maintain the station, and perform spacewalks to repair and upgrade equipment. The ISS also serves as a testbed for technologies and systems required for long-duration space travel, such as those necessary for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. It provides valuable data on the effects of living in space on the human body, enabling scientists to better understand and mitigate the challenges of long-duration spaceflight. International cooperation is a cornerstone of the ISS program, with participating countries contributing modules, funding, and expertise. The station operates under a framework of agreements and protocols established by the partner nations. The participating space agencies collaborate closely to plan missions, share resources, and ensure the safety and success of the ISS program. The ISS has been continuously occupied since November 2000, hosting astronauts and cosmonauts from various countries. Crews are regularly launched aboard Russian Soyuz spacecraft, while cargo resupply missions are carried out by a variety of vehicles, including Russian Progress spacecraft, American SpaceX Dragon and Northrop Grumman Cygnus spacecraft, and the European Space Agency's Automated Transfer Vehicle. Certainly. Here are some additional details about the International Space Station, ISS. International collaboration. The ISS is a collaborative effort among space agencies from different countries. NASA, United States, Roscosmos, Russia, ESA, European Space Agency, JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, and CSA, Canadian Space Agency, are the primary partners. These agencies contribute modules, equipment, and expertise, working together to ensure the success of the ISS program. Crew and rotation. The ISS typically accommodates a crew of 6 astronauts or cosmonauts at a time. Crew members come from various countries and undergo extensive training before their missions. They live and work in a weightless environment, performing a wide range of scientific experiments, maintenance tasks, and operational duties. Crews rotate periodically, with new members arriving via crewed spacecraft and departing on return vehicles. Research and scientific experiments. The ISS serves as a unique laboratory for conducting research in microgravity. Scientists from around the world propose and carry out experiments in diverse fields, including physics, biology, chemistry, astronomy, and human physiology. Microgravity conditions offer valuable insights into fundamental scientific principles and help develop new technologies and medical treatments. The ISS is a testament to humanity's quest for exploration and discovery. It not only advances our scientific understanding but also fosters international cooperation and serves as a stepping stone for future space exploration endeavors. As we look ahead, the ISS remains a vital platform for studying space, advancing technology, and preparing for ambitious missions beyond Earth's orbit.